Do you have any blood on your pillow? What? Do you have any blood on your pillow? No. Watch me burp. Oh, I can't do it. You mean you how I burp? Okay, pull my finger. Sarah, pull my finger. Pull my finger. Okay, pull my finger. I already burned. Okay, pull my finger. Pull my finger. Pull my finger. Okay, pull my finger. That wasn't right. No, pull my finger. Oh yeah. Pull my finger. Pull my finger. Pull my finger. Pull my finger. What was that? Pull my finger. Hold up. Did you hear my burp? That was funny. Pull my finger. Pull my finger. Okay. Okay. I already burped. Let's turn that off and let's do it. No, I'm going to put it to 354 because that's when the music is, how long the music is going. Why am I making myself burp when I pull your finger? Okay, you're supposed to be burping. Okay. I already burped funny. Wait, but what? Okay, pull my finger. Pull my finger. Pull my finger. Pull my finger that's really loud. That's really loud. Whoa. Ow. Pull my finger. Oh, what the heck? I'm like pulling your finger. Okay. Pull my finger. Okay, let me do it again. Okay. Wait. Okay, I'm ready. Pull my finger. Okay. Pull my finger. Pull my finger. You said pull my finger. Wait.